Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we dive into the world of beautiful eclectic street designs, very beautiful ideas and luxurious ideas, and also easy to make and tiny style. We give you a beautiful ideas for upcoming festival season. So this festival is not just happiness, togetherness and fun something, and it's also for grow your business. In this season you can grow your business, you can make your small tree house or small tree designs, and you can sell it on social media and Facebook, Etsy, Amazon. You can grow your business with it and make your tree and take the picture of it, something add something different designs, different ideas, and put on social media. And also you can put your charges. So when you upload on social media, so you will know what is the response of your product. And a customer many customers just not about common cheese, and want to know about what is the story behind that. They buy not only product, they also buy a story. They want to know about that, and they know about what you did about it with this. So hope you like that these designs. Watch till the end, stay tuned with us. Very productive and creative ideas. You can make your own store, you can grow your business in this season and make a businessman in this season. Leave your comment in the comment section, and we will try to bring for you what do you want to watch. If you know me, and leave your comment in the comment section what you want to watch, we will try to upload definitely for you, for our viewers and subscribers. And your comment is very meaningful for us, and very precious for us, and we will very happy for you to read your comment. So you know that these are very different types of X-Mix tree, and you can make it with the dye and mold. And you can purchase mold is a one time investment, so you can purchase a beautiful mold, simple mold, and you can decorate it and sell your set, and you use the material of resin or ceramic is cheaper than resin, I think. So you can use resin, and you can use paper, hard paper, so you can use that. And if you will use these type of things, and ceramic mean white cement, and you will made with this trees, so you will definitely decorate it beautifully. If you're an artist, make some beads, put on some beads, orange, black,